Well, there's a big update coming in the Kannauj rape case. The DNA report of the former Samajwadi Party leader accused of raping a minor has come. The accused leader, Nawab Singh, was sent to jail in the case of raping the minor on the night of 11th of August. And, shockingly, the DNA report of Nawab Singh Yadav and the rape victim has come in after 14 days. SP Amit Kumar Anand has said that the rape was confirmed in the forensic report. According to the report, the SP did talk about further legal action. DNA report will now increase the problems of Nawab Singh Yadav. So the news, in fact, is that the DNA sample of the accused Nawab Singh Yadav does match with the victim, which confirms rape. Amit Singh joins us now for the latest on this. Amit, very, very big news coming in that the DNA sample of the accused Nawab Singh Yadav has matched with the victim. Tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, this is a very, very big news and big setback for the Samajwadi Party, as Nawab Singh is the former Samajwadi Party leader, and BJP was regularly targeting in this matter to Samajwadi Party. Now the Nawab Singh DNA sample has been matched with the victim and the SP Kannauj, and police has already confirmed that the DNA sample.
Amit, just kindly stay on with me. We have, in fact, the reaction of SP Kannauj. We'll just play that out and I'll come back to you.
उक्त प्रकरण में घटना स्थल से फोरेंसिक एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए गए थे, जिसे एफएसएल भेजा गया था। एफएसएल से रिपोर्ट प्राप्त हो गई है, जिसमें दुष्कर्म किए जाने की बात की पुष्टि हुई है। इसमें कन्नौज पुलिस द्वारा अग्रिम विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
All right, Amit, this is more shameful because the victim was a child. She was just 15 years old, if I'm not mistaken. The Samajwadi Party might have distanced themselves from him, but the fact of the matter is this is a huge embarrassment because Nawab Singh Saini was so close to the Yadav family.
Yeah, this is a huge embarrassment for the Samajwadi Party and well as the Yadav family, because Nawab Singh was very closely associated with the Yadav family, and now Nawab Singh's DNA sample has matched with the victim. Police has already confirmed, and this incident took on 11th August night. As the victim informed the police about the incident, the police soon have arrested the accused Nawab Singh, and then this matter was politicalized. BJP was on the front foot. They were attacking the Samajwadi Party leader. They were attacking, BJP was regularly attacking the Yadav family, as well as now Samajwadi Party and the Yadav family himself have raised question on the police how arrested the Nawab Singh. But now the DNA sample have been confirmed, and police will take this matter very hardly in the court.
Oh, absolutely. Just stay on with me, Amit, please. We have the reaction from the BJP. Let's listen into what Shehzad Poonawala has to say about this big development in this case.
स्पष्ट हो गया कि चाहे कोलकाता हो, चाहे केरल हो या चाहे कन्नौज हो, इंडी अलायंस का केवल एक ही उद्देश्य है, बेटी को न्याय मत दिलाओ, बलात्कारी बचाओ और सत्य की आवाज दबाओ। कन्नौज के मामले में जिस प्रकार से समाजवादी पार्टी ने खुलकर नवाब यादव का समर्थन किया, जूही सिंह ने कहा कि बेटी का नार्को टेस्ट हो, बेटी का डीएनए टेस्ट हो, क्यों गई थी वो नौकरी मांगने के लिए, और आज डीएनए टेस्ट होने के बाद पता चल रहा है कि नवाब यादव ने ही बेटी के साथ जघन्य अपराध किया था, परंतु किस प्रकार से संरक्षण दिया गया। इसी प्रकार का संरक्षण अयोध्या में भी मोईद खान को दिया गया जब उसने 12 साल की निषाद बच्ची के साथ बलात्कार किया। मतलब समाजवादी पार्टी का हाथ हमेशा बलात्कारियों के साथ, और ये तो इनका चरित्र रहा है। ये तो बॉयज विल बी बॉयज वाली पार्टी। गायत्री प्रजापति कन्विक्ट हुए, उसके बाद भी उनके समर्थन में खड़े होने वाली पार्टी। आज अखिलेश यादव जी से, डिम्पल यादव जी से सवाल पूछा जाएगा कि ये व्यक्ति आपकी चुनावी रैली में हाल ही में था, आपने पत्र भी लिखा है इनको, क्या अब नवाब यादव के ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगी समाजवादी पार्टी, या अब भी बेटी के चरित्र पर सवाल खड़ी करेगी। और देखिए ना, आज कोलकाता से लेकर केरल तक इंडी अलायंस का असली महिला विरोधी चरित्र। जब केरल में एक बेटी न्याय की बात करती है, बोलती है कास्टिंग काउच का वहां पर कल्चर चलता है, तो उस बेटी को, उस महिला को ही निकाल दिया, और लड़कों के साथ नहीं, लड़कियों के साथ ही अन्याय हो रहा है। तो मतलब कि लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं का नारा कितना खोखला है कि प्रियंका वाड्रा ना कन्नौज पर, ना कोलकाता पर, ना केरल पर कुछ बोल पाती है।
Right, so that's the big update coming in the Kannauj rape case, that the DNA sample of Nawab Singh Yadav has matched with that of a 15-year-old victim. She was a minor, more shameful and reprehensible. Amit is with us. He's been getting us all the details. Amit, why don't you refresh our memories? Tell us what exactly happened on the intervening night of August 11th and 12th. How did this child come in contact with Nawab Singh Saini?
On 11th August night, the victim called police on 112 number and said that she has been raped, she has been sexually assaulted by accused Nawab Singh. Then police raided at the spot and Nawab Singh was arrested. After Nawab Singh arresting, regularly the Samajwadi Party questioned about the police, how he has arrested the accused Nawab Singh. The Samajwadi Party leader said firstly that he is framed by some of the BJP leaders and the police. However, police have lodged an FIR on the POCSO Act and the investigation was on. Now, according to law, the DNA sample was collected of Nawab Singh and well as the victim also. Now, the report has come and in the report that it's clearly stated that the DNA sample matches. Now, this is a very setback for the Samajwadi Party and well as the Yadav family, because Nawab Singh was very closely associated with the Yadav family as he was working in 2014 with Dimple Yadav, the present member of parliament,
right.
And he was very closely associated. So BJP was regularly attacking on this matter to Yadav family and well as Samajwadi Party.
Absolutely. Amit, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more details on the latest development in the Kannauj rape case.